What up, crew? I know it's been a long time and I haven't made a video recently. I've been at WorkBenchCon. It was the most fun thing I've ever done. It was in Atlanta, Georgia.
Living the high life.
So the media controllers on the two seats next to me were fine on the plane. However, mine was upside down for some reason. Oh, and the armrest on my right side was somehow removable. But nobody sat next to me for the entire flight, so I could stretch out.
Well, it may be raining in London, but it's pretty beautiful here in Atlanta, Georgia. Got the trees out. We're off to WorkBenchCon. We built the Inventables stand yesterday, basically out of stuff that they got from Home Depot. Awesome from Inventables. It was a lot of fun. Hadn't built a house side wall that quickly in quite some time. Warm, nice stroll through the neighborhoods. Get to see some things I've never seen before.
You notice back behind me, I've got a lot more stickers. Really cool people, awesome makers. Looking forward to collaborating with a couple of them. WorkBenchCon was this convention where there was a whole bunch of people that were makers, and there were a couple companies there. I want to thank Craig for giving me these cool hinge and drawer makers. I should have used these when I was redoing the kitchen about 2 months ago. But we have many more projects with these in mind, and those were great. Kind of sanding file things. Ryobi with their Ryobi or Ryobi, I'm not sure which one. Gorilla Glue, Rockler. I needed one of these for gluing. They're really handy.
It's snowing!
From the beautiful warm weather at WorkBenchCon in Atlanta to the beast from the east currently happening in London. I can't keep up. I also got a package in the mail from, I believe, China. Ni hao, that means Joe. That means my name's Joe. And I believe it should be, yes, robotic arm parts. This is what we've been looking for, what we've been waiting for. It is from a Dobot. It can do some 3D printing, it can do some laser engraving, it can do some drawing. I'll be sure to put a whole bunch more videos on how to use a Dobot.
The weather is more unpredictable than technology.
A lot of the YouTube bloggers are gonna be coming over to Makers Central in Birmingham, so that'll be England country, my backyard. This will be fun. We have a stand there. We're gonna be right across from the YouTube Maker Convention area, so check us out there. Robosavvy, I think it's C8 is the stand. That's May 5th and 6th. Right now, we have too many projects to do and not enough time to talk about them. No need for a t-shirt sponsor on this one. We're just gonna go straight into a quick update, get this out there, and then get some projects going with robotic arms and the Carvey. I want to thank Inventables, most importantly, for just showing me the best time that I could ever have in my home country. It was truly, it was like when you're searching for that water in the desert and you come across an oasis, and not only do you find the most best tasting water, but there's a whole bunch of other wanderers in the desert that are there drinking with you, and you all know each other's story. You don't know where you're from exactly, but you know there's some sort of family connection. That's all. Peace out, trout. Dobot, Dobot, Dobot.